Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. It means so much to have all of you girls here from all different schools. So a little bit about me. I am the dealer principal at Mahindra Kokstad. I have been here, I think, just over 2 years. I'm still very new to Kokstad. Durban baby, so Kokstad's very cold for me, so I'm still learning about this cold weather. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm just going to be introducing the ladies who's actually going to be doing the talks and the motivational speaking today. We have got a lovely lady from CCPD. She standing at the back there. She helped get all of you girls here together today, and yeah, thank you so much. She's also going to do a little bit of a talk to let you guys know about her work, what does she do, what are her roles, and how she is involved in the community from her side. Then we've also got the lovely team from Windsor. They are from Joburg. They flew in yesterday. She's also going to be doing her talks on motivation, GBV. There's a whole list of things. It's going to be an interactive day. It's nothing serious, so please relax and just enjoy the day. If you've got any questions, this is not a classroom, don't be shy to ask, okay? No one is going to shout at you guys, all right? So we're not your teachers today. Teachers, close your ears, okay?
What I've learned today from this whole experience was that we need to empower each other, right? We need to stand strong together, right? We need to be, we shouldn't be quiet. We should be open about this. We've learned that it doesn't matter where you came from, how small things looked from your perspective or from others' perspective, that you can actually grow stronger and you can be someone like Miss here, and you can do so many amazing things. It doesn't matter if you come from a certain area or from what. You can be something no matter what.
That you shouldn't wait till the situation gets worse. Speak as soon as something happens to you and stand up for who you are. Don't let the small things hold you back from where you want to go.
At first, I would say I felt like I was defeated, like when I trusted someone with most of my heart, with my all, but only to find that person backstabbed me. With everything I had, I trusted her, but then I felt like I was betrayed by the world. I felt like the world was against me. I couldn't trust anyone for that matter. I started being an introvert. I started being all alone. I felt like I was just a person with no emotions. So, but then I realized that because one day I woke up saying to myself, no, I'll get through this. No matter what, God will be with me. Because as the verse Romans 8:18 says, God understands the cries of our hearts even though they are too deep for words.